Yes. Well, good morning to everyone present in this virtual gathering. On behalf of Indian Association of Physics Teachers, that is IAPT, in association with Pandu College, Guwahati, I warmly welcome you all to this prize announcement ceremony of National Photo Essay Competition in Physics 2026 with the theme Physics Experiment That Changed the World. Today, we are delighted to celebrate the fourth consecutive edition of this national competition, which has brought together participants across the country in two categories. Category 1 says the participation from undergraduate and postgraduate students, and Category 2 represents research scholars, faculties, and teachers across the country. Before we begin, I request everyone to kindly keep your microphones on mute. Use the chat box for greetings. Gathering on behalf of Indian Association of use the chat box for greetings, and for any queries you can always text. Ensure your full name and affiliation appear correctly on Zoom. Our ceremony is graced by distinguished dignitaries of IAPT Central and the host institution. On screen, we are honored to have Professor P.K. Ahluwalia, President IAPT Central, presiding over this ceremony. We are equally privileged to have Professor Rekha Ghorpade, Secretary of IAPT Central, with us today. We warmly welcome our jury members for this competition, Professor Hemant Kumar Sharma and Dr. Sapna Sharma from Himachal Pradesh, Professor Y.K. Vijay from Rajasthan, Dr. Vipul Kheraj from Gujarat, Dr. Pranav Bruhan from Assam, all value adders in the field of physics education. With them, I also welcome my team members, Dr. Bandana Das, Head Department of Physics, Pandu College, as the event convener and event coordinators, Dr. Jayant Hazarika, Dr. Pranita Das, Dr. Jhuma Viswas, working as assistant professors in Pandu College, Guwahati. So we are here to welcome the senior IPT members and participants of this competition, joining us from different parts of our country. As I said, this is the fourth edition of this competition, and we have witnessed quality submissions. Those submissions are research based. Participants have done a very meticulous work to prepare the submissions. We congratulate all the participants for their valuable contributions to this year's theme. May I now invite Dr. Bandana Das, Event Convener and Head Department of Physics, Pandu College, to present a brief report of this year's competition that will highlight the number of entries, participation from different regions, evaluation process, and highlights. Bandana, madam.
Namaskar. A warm good morning and happy Rangali Bihu to everyone present here. Respected Professor P.K. Ahluwalia sir, Professor Rekha Ghorpade ma'am, Lakhotia sir, and the jury members, and dear participants and my dear colleagues from Pandu College. On behalf of the organizing committee, I am honored to welcome you all to this virtual prize announcement ceremony. The entire Pandu College Fraternity is highly grateful to IAPT for giving the opportunity to organize this year's National Photo Essay Competition. Now I am going to present a brief report of the participants in this competition. Uh, in UG PG category, category 1, total participants number were 68. Out of these, male participants were 38, female participants were 30, number of accepted participants were 65, number of rejected participants were 3. Rejection was due to not fulfilling the eligibility criteria.
You are muted now. Bandana madam. Bandana ma'am, you are.
Okay. Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
We are happy to say that this year, all over India, 16 states have participated. Total participating states were 16. Gujarat has the highest 16 numbers of participants, from Assam 13, Maharashtra 8, Uttar Pradesh 6, Punjab 2, Tamil Nadu 2, Kashmir 2, Karnataka 1, Delhi 2, Himachal Pradesh 2, West Bengal 1, Punjab 1, Orissa 1, and from Haryana 1 participant have participated in this competition. In the category 2, that is research scholars, faculties, and teachers, total number of participants were 27. Number of participants accepted for evaluation were 25 and rejected participants were 2. Number of male participants were 12 and female participants is much better, 15. And the total number of participating states were 12. Maharashtra has the highest number of participants, 5. From Puducherry 1, Rajasthan 2, Himachal Pradesh 1, Gujarat 2, West Bengal 2, Tamil Nadu 3, Mizoram 1, Andhra Pradesh 1, Karnataka 1, Delhi 1, Telangana 1 participants. Two participants from each categories could not be identified due to not mentioning their state's name, and we could not contact them. This is the brief report of the participants in IIPT and PEC 2026. Thank you, everyone.
Well, thank you very much, ma'am, for this comprehensive report, for the meticulous coordination that has made this national event possible. We now move to one of the most anticipated segment of today's program, the showcase of top 10 photo aces in both the categories. We have selected 11 now. We have added one more. And out of these 11, there will be two categories whose award will be declared by the dignitaries later. So let's go through those 11 wonderful presentations one by one. On screen, I'll share one by one. Here comes the first one for you. was Nikumoni Kolita from Pandu College. She was Mura Vanjali Jagdish Kumar. Next is Gaurav Taludkar. I invite your remarks in the chat box. For all these presentations, you can express. Sunil Paswan from Pandu College. Last in the first category, now we are moving in category 2. Yes, you can comment on the work. So we have selected 6 in this category. First was Anupama Apti madam. Second is Debasmita Chatterjee madam from Kolkata. I'm not announcing the prizes or ranks. Ranks will be announced by dignitaries. These are short performance.
Could this be reality? Could this be reality?
Next is Kunjal Patel from Gujarat. Next one is from Maharashtra, Nagpur. Now we'll move to North. The next presentation is from New Delhi. Last but not the least, well, these were top 11 performances for this year's edition. Thank you to all participants. Your creativity, scientific depth, and clarity of communication are truly commendable. Though this is not the end, we have something special for each and every one of you that I will announce at the end of this program. Before announcing the prizes, I would like to invite the jury members who evaluated the entries with great care, with defined rubrics. I now invite our respected jury representatives to share brief feedback on the overall quality of submissions, common strengths, and suggestions for future competitions. To start with, I invite Professor Hemant Kumar. Hemant sir, if you can unmute Hemant sir. Dr. Sapna Sharma.
Yes. So, good morning, everyone. Really, it was a pleasure for me to serve as a judge for this photo essay competition. I was genuinely impressed by the depth of thoughts, creativity reflected by all the participants in this essay competition. Each essay told us a story, not just through images, but through their perspectives, emotions, and insights. So, one thing was there, judging these essays were not an easy task for me. Overall, the quality of all the essay was very, very high. I would like to appreciate all the participants for this effort, dedication, and their unique viewpoints. So, my message is, dear participants, whether you have won a prize or not, your work has value and deserve recognition. So, congratulations to all the prize winners. Best wishes to all the participants for your future endeavors. And thank you, organizers, for giving me this opportunity to judge this beautiful competition. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Sapna ma'am, for finding time for evaluating all those quality submissions. May I now request Dr. Pranab Buhan from Guwahati to share his views. Dr. Pranab, yes.
Yes, good morning, everyone. I really thank the national coordinator of this IAPT special event as well as the coordinators of the host institution. It was indeed a great pleasure for me to be a part of the evaluation process. So I really looked at the submissions from the category one, which represents the UG and PG students, and it was indeed a pleasure actually to find so many quality submissions. And I'm happy to say that actually some of the submissions were really beyond my expectations. It was really high quality. So it was really not easy for me to judge because most of the presentations were really good and equally of equal quality. So in that sense, I really took a lot of time to go through each of the presentations, and on the basis of that, I have put forward my views as well as some suggestions or remarks. So I find that almost all the participants have actually put a lot of effort and time in preparing their presentations. And one just a small minor thing that I want to mention here. I find that a few of the presenters maybe didn't pay much attention to the references. I request those presenters, those participants in future to keep an eye on the references sections. Other than that, as I have already mentioned, most of the submissions were of very high quality, but a few of them may give little more time to the depth and maybe the flow of the presentation, so that will really improve their quality in the future. And as the coordinator has already said, I mean, on the basis of the views from the panel of judges, there will be few winners, but that doesn't just represent only the winners, but I would say that on whoever have actually participated in this special event are the real winners. So I would appreciate if they keep continuing their effort and I mean uh, participate in the future events with more vigor, and that will be the real success of the special event from IAPT. So I thank again the coordinator and the organizers for giving me an opportunity to be part of this special event, and thank you everyone.
Thank you very much, sir, for your time, expertise, and constructive feedback. We now come to the most awaited moment, the prize announcement for this competition. For Category 1 prize announcement, I humbly request Professor Rekha Ghorpade, Secretary of IAPT Central, to kindly announce the prize winners in Category 1 and share the remarks. Rekha ma'am.
Thank you, Professor Lakhotia. Good morning and namaskar to everyone. Respected President Professor Ahluwalia, National Coordinator Professor Lakhotia, Event Coordinator Dr. Vandana Das, eminent jury members, my other colleagues in IAPT, and the wonderful participants. It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of this ceremony. National Photo Essay Competition has really one great success. Actually, thanks to efforts by Professor Lakhotia, this is the fourth successive year. I have observed that the quality and the level of the competition is really getting enhanced. And the way they are trying to get it popularized, I think it's appreciable. So I place on record the appreciation to National Coordinator Professor Lakhotia as well as the event coordinator Dr. Bandana Das. I'm very happy to have this kind of a coordination because first 3 years it was coordinated by only the Nagpur Science College, and now it is the Pandu College who has come forward to participate actively and organize this event very successfully. And this is a true coordination, I think, which is observed in IAPT. The essays which were put in they were really of good quality. And as the judges, Sapna Madam and the other judges have said, that it must be a really difficult task for all of them because the quality really has gone up. Let me not put you in the waiting list. I mean, for waiting for a long time. I congratulate all the participants because participation is something that is appreciable, and I think you have already won the competition. Format is just, select few, but that does not mean the others were not good. I'm sure that the jury members will also agree with me, and therefore only to abide with the format, we have selected only few. Only top three and some appreciation prizes because I'm sure judges would not have been really restrict themselves to select only few, but just give us the appreciation prizes also because the essays were really commendable. So in the category 1, I will start from the bottom actually. I first announce the appreciation prizes and then I go to the third, second and first one. The appreciation, there are two appreciation prizes. One is Saurav Talukdar from Guwahati University has won the appreciation, and just put your hands together to appreciate Saurav Talukdar. Is a competition submitted. If the prize winners are in the meeting, kindly show your video. You can put on your video so that the other members also will be able to see you that who are the prize winners. And the second appreciation prize goes to Vaishnavi Sharma of GLA University, Mathura. Congratulations, both of you. I have now the third prize. Murav Anjali Jagdish Kumar from LDRP Institute of Technology and Research, Kadi Sarva Vishwavidyalaya. I think this is from Gujarat. Congratulations, Anjali madam. The second prize is Jitu Munikata of Pandu College.
Itu Kalita.
Kalita from College University. And the first prize goes to Sunil Kumar Paswan of Pandu College, Guwahati University. Congratulations, all the winners. Congratulations, Pandu College. They have kept the tradition of winning the competition this year also.
So we have one
So with this,
participant on the
I
screen.
just appreciate one.
Jitu Moni is
Hello.
on the screen now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Do we have Sunil Kumar Paswan also? Congratulations, Jitu Moni.
Ma'am.
Please put out your campus so that we can put you on the screen. All 5 winners, I would say.
Yes. Yes. So if they're there, please put on your camera. Saurav Talukdar, Vaishnavi Sharma, Murav Anjali Jagdish Kumar, Jitu Moni Kalita, and Sunil Kumar Paswan. I think Saurav Talukdar is also
yes, Saurav
there.
is here.
Yeah.
I'm adding him on the screen. Vaishnavi is here. Can't find Anjali in the meeting.
Okay.
So very
So
well.
give them a big hand and
Congratulations
congratulations to all of you.
Hearty congratulations to all of
Hearty congratulations.
Congratulations to everyone.
Yes, yes.
Can we have feedbacks from them?
Yeah, if you permit, I think I would
Yes,
love to listen from each one of them, I think.
Yes, Jitu
Yeah, can
Moni.
we just few words if you can talk about the competition.
Morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. And good morning, respected everyone present here. Myself, Jitu Moni Kalita. I'm from Department of Physics, Pandu College, Guwahati. I feel very grateful to be a part of this photo essay competition. And through this competition, I would learn some new things like what is Eddington's experiment, how it helped to visualize the Einstein general theory of relativity through the lens of creation. I think I would like to thank IIPT for giving me such a grateful chance for visualize the law of physics through lens of creation. Thank you, IIPT. And I would also like to say thank you to my HOD ma'am, Department of Physics, Pandu College, along with and other assistant professors for inspiring me to take part in this competition. Okay,
Saurav. You can unmute.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, all to the respected teachers. All I want to say is thank you to IIPT for this opportunity. This is the first time I participated, and it was a great pleasure. Actually, I never did any competition like this. So thank you to everyone.
Many congratulations, Saurav.
Thank you, sir.
Vaishnavi is also here. Vaishnavi, yes.
Yes, sir. First of all, I want to thank you all and IAPT communities and everyone that was a part of this competition. It was really a wonderful experience, and I participated for the first time, and I enjoyed it a lot and learned a lot of things, and I will surely improve myself further. Thank you.
Many congratulations to all of you. Thank you, Rekha ma'am, for finding time
Yeah,
for
thank you, Professor
announcement.
Lakhotia and Professor Bandana. You have done a wonderful job. Keep doing it. And thank you, jury members. Thank you to, congratulations to all the prize winners and also the participants. And thank you for giving me the opportunity to celebrate this moment with you all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. We now proceed to category 2, research scholars, faculties, and teachers. I request Honorable Professor P.K. Ahluwalia, President of IAPT Central, to kindly announce the prize winners in category 2. Ahluwalia, sir.
Thank you very much. I think it has been a wonderful morning. Great way to spend our time. I would say today I'm spending some quality time with IAPT stakeholders, the dear participants, and IAPT members. Respected Professor Rekha, Professor Ranjita, Dr. Govinda Lakhotia, Dr. Sapna Sharma, Dr. Bandana Das, and the team from Pandu College. Pandu College has a very special place in the heart of IAPT. Let me tell you that. Because the success of this competition actually started from Pandu College winner. I wish if she had been here, the girl who consecutively won the prizes in this competition. So thank you, faculty members from Pandu College, the team of students who are coming forward to participate in whole of the program. Let me not let you wait, and let me first announce the prizes, and then I'll tell you about my remarks itself. So the prizes are, very much needed also, in a way that we should be able to inspire students to come forward and make their presentations, think of improving their skills, and be part of a bigger, community for future. So I think I will start with the appreciations mentions. And the first appreciation goes to the experiment that revealed solid state signal amplification, the discovery of the transistor. And this is by Sukhendu Maiti, and it is from Vishwa Bangla Vishwavidyalaya. So congratulations, Sukhendu, for participating and getting this appreciation from the community. The second appreciation comes from Galileo's falling bodies experiment. And this is one by Dr. Pranita Chaitanya Deshpande. And she's from Dharampet MPDO Memorial Science College, Nagpur. The college where Professor Govinda also works. And I think this college took up the responsibility under the guidance of Dr. Govinda to make this program of IAPT a success story. So congratulations, Pranita, for a wonderful presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Keep participating in future also. It is not that you have to participate only once. You can always come up with new ideas for future.
Last year also I have participated.
Okay, good. Keep it up. Next is analog white hole horizon, a laboratory simulation. And this is one by Dr. Debasmita Chatterjee. And she is from Tejpur Gurukul School. And I think this is another appreciation which Debasmita you are getting, and congratulations from IAPT from my personal side also. You are
Thank you,
doing
sir.
and keep participating also. Then we have the next one, the light particle revolution. And this is won by Kunjal Suresh Chandra Patel. So congratulations, Kunjal. And Kunjal is working in Government Science College, Wanakal. So this is in Gujarat, Surat. So this is the third prize which we are announcing for this photo essay competition in the teachers or research scholars faculty category. Congratulations. And the second prize actually goes to Shivangi Kathuria. She actually wove a beautiful story, the experiment that lit the world, the story of Michael Faraday and electromagnetic induction. So congratulations, Shivangi. She is from Delhi, GD Goenka Public School Model Town, Delhi itself. And now is the turn of the first prize. First prize goes to a moving magnet that moved the world. And this is by Anupma Poti. And it is from Devi Public School, Nerul. So congratulations, Anupma. Well done. I think you have showed your skills, not only as a presenter, but as a wonderful teacher to dig out wonderful concepts in such a lovely fashion.
Thank you, sir.
So once again, I congratulate all the participants who are here. I think this is not a small task to arrange, to choose a topic. And this time I must congratulate Dr. Govinda and the team that they picked up a wonderful topic. I think this kind of a topic can be carried forward even again. So thank you, Dr. Govinda and your team at Pandu College. Dr. Vandana, great going. I hope you have started enjoying this competition more now because
Welcome, sir. Welcome,
winning the
sir.
prizes. You are also, coordinating the program itself. And I think Dr. Govinda brought a beautiful idea into the picture by giving it a truly national competition shape. Because earlier it was being done only at Nagpur, so people were thinking that, oh, maybe it is Nagpur's duty. But I think it is the duty of various, colleges, faculty members to come forward, raise their hand to say that, okay, we also want to become part of such activities. So well done, Dr. Bandana. Please convey my regards to your principal also, who really encouraged you to go ahead with this activity. And I would say Dr. Ranjita Das Deka, she is a pioneer of IAPT. She always is ready to do things and she inspires also. I think in the last few years, Northeast has become very active in IAPT because of Dr. Ranjita Deka's consistent, inspiration, talking to people, having meetings with them and encouraging them to come forward. And I think Northeast has shown that they have quality people also who can really win the competitions. That is another very important part of it. There are these presentations are really good. I have few ideas in my mind which I want to share with you. One is that whenever you make these kinds of presentations, make sure that when you are giving time to each slide, you should read that slide comfortably, say silently, and see that how much time it takes to read it. Because if you are able to keep that kind of a connection, people who are seeing the video, they will be able to appreciate what is written in each of the slide, and the story will get built up very nicely because they will also get engaged. This is one suggestion which I want to give. Second suggestion is, I don't know whether these are abridged versions of your photo essay competition or the full versions of your photo essay competition. If these are abridged versions of your photo essay competition, you can think of keeping your old version, but also try to give at the back a kind of a story in your voice. Have very, light music in the background and say your story loudly, bring your voice modulation in it. See that you are really putting stress at the right point where you can really try to convey to the listener and one who is watching the video that, oh, these are the points or highlights which we must really remember. And there are certain stories which need to be retold again and again. And why I am saying this, students come to our classes, we teach them, say, Faraday's story. I think that story is a very fascinating story to inspire students. And these kinds of resources can really give them a lot of motivation to pursue basic science. This is one of the crises in the country that not very many people are coming to study basic sciences. And if we want to inspire them, this is the way. Third thing which I want to say is the following, that can you convert these videos and these stories into a wonderful narrative in the form of a paper or a chapter of a book? I can offer you, each of the participants, both who have won the prizes and those who have found mention as appreciation, that please write your stories in 10-15 pages. Don't mind giving more references and try to weave that in words also. I assure you that if you will do this effort, we will publish that as a book. This is my assurance to you. And we want that your book, you should really be able to showcase in your CV that, look, you have done this as something to enhance the teaching and reaching out to the students, not only for your immediate students, but to the community across the country. I think I would really very strongly request you that. Those of you who worked on the same topic, they can come together also. Make one story and come together and let us see what we can do. And once again, I'm repeating and emphasizing it. I want that your book should go in the hands of the students. Many a times, we never tell or give students anything which is not given in the textbook. That if it can go in their hands, that will be great. We go try to, do things, derivations and derivation and derivation. Student also goes confused and you also come out dissatisfied that, oh, I have to do all these derivations. Bring in those stories in your narratives itself. Another thing which is there is, whenever we conduct these kinds of competitions, normally what we do is we invite the final shortlisted participants to our national convention. In your case, what we have done is we have organized this valedictory function and announced the prizes. Okay, but I would like to invite you to come to our convention. And we will give you, as we give to the participants, shortlisted participants of the other competitions, train fare, we will give you the train fare and we will try that you get some waiver for registration also. I hope you will love to come to us in the national convention. This year it is going to be held in Delhi, in the heart of the country. So come on, see what happens there, carry the joy of participating that convention with you to your respective colleges and share this with your friends, dear students, particularly for the first category. I would say you should really tell them how exciting it is to work with IAPT. I don't know whether you have ever visited our website. I think when you were participating in our competition, I'm sure that you must have visited our website also. If you have visited our website, you must have found lots of things there. I would like that you don't just stop there by visiting, become our member. Become member of Indian Association of Physics Teachers. For students, we have a special, membership. We call it a student membership, and we have life membership also. When I was to become a member of IAPT, that was way back in 1984. I was among the first few people who became life members of IAPT. I also had a choice for becoming a member for a year. And then I would have said, okay, bye-bye. I don't want to continue with you. But I think I took the right decision to become a life member. And what did that to me? Every month I was receiving a bulletin. I was a young teacher. I was looking for ideas, good tips for teaching, to explain to the students. And I was finding that I was getting inspired by the people who were writing beautiful articles in the bulletin itself. And look at it, somebody spotted me that let us bring this fellow and make him president. So would you like to aim for becoming president of Indian Association of Physics Teachers? If you want to, become a life member of IAPT itself. It's a membership for life. You will get every month on 1st of the month a bulletin in e-format. Go through it and you will find there are wonderful articles, very conceptually, what you call strong articles. Those articles you would like to share with your friends, you would like to come forward. I also want to tell you one thing more in this valedictory function itself, that for students and teachers, we have very many other programs also. For example, we have National Competition of Innovative Experiments in Physics. That competition is also there. So if you find that there is one innovative experiment which you have done, you have improved upon an experiment, there is a new way which you want to tell people that this experiment can be done in this particular fashion, come on, participate in that. There is another competition which is also there, which is called National Competition on Computational Physics. And recently, its announcement has been made. And you will find it's a very comprehensive way of participating in the other type of skills which physics students need to have. Today, we do physics not just in two ways, like doing experiments and then theory. We also do those experiments on computer. I think there was one such presentation today itself, which explained a simulation of looking at a beautiful phenomena, which was like an experiment only. So try to see if you can participate in that competition also. There are a few other competitions which are very, very fascinating. Let me tell you, those much imaginative, and they will really make you work hard. One competition is Indian National Young Faces Tournament. We are targeting, young school students to participate in that competition. And that competition runs for whole of the year, let me tell you that also. Where we actually don't do this thing that you do something and then we will finally see what you have done. We actually try to mentor those students who come to us, tell them how to participate in that competition, and we have different levels. We let them progress from one level to second to third, and then final level. And that is a real research experience which any school student can have to that competition. They have to come at every step, they have to make a presentation. They will find that their opponents will be sitting and listening to them. Opponents will ask them questions. They will have to respond to those questions. And this kind of a competition among the participants gets rotated. Everybody gets an opportunity to participate and also to defend the queries of their opponents itself. What a fascinating competition it is. And that will give you the confidence, which you will not get much before you reach your post-graduation classes. So if you can do that at class 10, 11, 12 level itself, try to see how your way of thinking about science and the physics will actually get changed. There is another very interesting competition. It is called the Indian Physicists Tournament. And in this tournament, we encourage undergraduate and PG students to work on a topic which we actually float, both for INYPT and this, we actually float the ideas well in advance. You are told that you have to work on this particular topic, on this particular idea, and then create a beautiful research journey. I'm not saying a story, a research journey, and share that with the participants and also with the big community. I hope when you participated in this competition, you must have visited earlier videos also. They must have influenced your way of working. So I think I will not take much time. I'm always very keen to tell you that what you can really achieve. And believe me, that particularly those people who are not sitting in metro cities like Delhi, Bombay, or Bengaluru, sometimes we feel that from where would they get opportunity to get an exposure of the way physics walas work, scientists work. IAPT is a platform where you can get that opportunity. Dear participants, I would like you to visit our website and click one page particularly. And that page is of IAPT books. What we are doing is, lately we have started curating together the books published by IAPT in e-form. We already have also one very interesting book there on the biography of the founder member of our IAPT, Professor D.P. Khandelwal. Read his story. You will feel inspired that how people work. Then we have 2 books on experiments. And these 2 books were done by one of the master experimenter of India, Professor Babulal Saraf, who was also one of the founders of IAPT. You look at those books. One book is on electricity experiments. Other book is on mechanics experiments. And you will be, bowled by the ideas which you will see in those experiments. And lately, there is another book which we are working on, and it will soon be put on the IAPT books page. And the title of that is The Vision of Science for India. And it is a collection of essays written by eminent scientists, physicists of the country. And let me also tell you one thing more about IAPT. I hope you must have heard about Knowledge Commission, which was actually floated by Government of India to look at how to improve the quality of education and research in the country. When that report was to be made, there was the chairperson of that was Sam Pitroda. You know what he did in his report, and that was conveyed to the president and the prime minister of the country also, that IAPT-like organizations need to be nurtured, encouraged, and supported because they are doing something which people miss in the classrooms. So dear students, I don't think I can plead more than this or advertise IAPT more than this, but I think this is the right platform to tell you about Indian Association of Physics Teachers. You see Professor Govinda. I think you should really visit an initiative which he has taken in Nagpur. They have initiated a very innovative program of creating a space for bringing students and helping them beyond school curriculum, college curriculum itself. This is through a very, very innovative program. And it is called Professor Rajendra. Used to call him
Rajendra Singh Science Exploratory.
Yes, it is a science exploratory actually. So it's a new idea, and I think maybe sometimes we will request Professor Govinda to come and give us a lecture on that idea, how it was floated and how it is running. I wish if these kind of exploratories can be there in every college and every school of the country itself. And for that, IAPT is ready to handhold because we have a program called Anveshika, in which we try to tell people how to enjoy the discovery mode. You know, most of the times we have in classroom teacher coming and saying, verify this, verify that, verify that. We say, no, 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 don't verify, discover this, discover that. And see, do you find that something which somebody has discovered earlier and which is known after the name of that particular scientist itself? We want you to go on that discovery path. So once again, congratulations. And hopefully you are now part of IAPT thoroughly. You will not only participate, but you will also spread by word of mouth what IAPT does. Keep working hard. Physics actually demands hard work. Nobody should really misunderstand anything that physics is an easy task. But I think something which is worth trying is that which is hard also, so that we get the right kind of training for doing those things. With this, I once again thank the organizing team, the conveners from Pandu College and from Dharampet College, Nagpur. I am always beholden to my team in IAPT, Central IAPT. And I'm very happy that Ma'am Rekha is there with us in every event. Maybe I would like that we should organize for young students a program in which she speaks, because she is a votary of, doing certain things which IAPT is not now trying. She comes from Mumbai. She is our general secretary. And in Mumbai, what they are doing is they are organizing summer schools. I wish if we can also start these kinds of summer schools in Northeast, and let us carry forward that idea throughout the country. More engagement, better opportunities is our aim, and we'll want stick to basic sciences. 4-year degree program is actually woven for that purpose only. Thank you very much. I sometimes, take my time beyond my restricted time. But Govindaji, sorry, I can't stop myself from doing that. Thank you very much.
Sir, just to add one thing.
Thank you. Thank you
Few
very much. Yes, ma'am.
Just one thing to add here. The first prize winner, Mrs. Anupama Poti from Mumbai, actually. She is a 2 times winner of NCIEP also, experimental competition. So, I'm very proud to have her here also. And I suppose she would be motivating some more people around her. Thank you, Anupama madam, and congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am, and hello, Alia sir, for your motivating words and for highlighting the importance of getting associated with IAPT for the sake of physics teaching and learning in our country. Once again, we extend our heartfelt congratulations to all the winners and finalists in both the categories for their outstanding contributions. May I now request few of our category 2 participants, winners, to express their experiences for this competition. Those who are on the screen can certainly add their experience. Yes, Anupama madam.
Good morning, everybody. I'm very happy to be a part of this photo essay competition. This is the 3rd time I'm participating in IAPT. Actually, I wanted to bring my children also, but in the month of February, our final exam was there. So one kind request, next time onwards, it is possible to prepone competition in the month of January, so that surely my children also will be able to take part. And it was really wonderful experience to express ideas through speeches. This competition inspired me to think creatively as well as to observe deeply. I thank the organizer as well as judges for their encouragement and for such a meaningful program. I will continue to learn and improve. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. We have Kunjal Patel on the screen. Kunjal, how do you feel after knowing your names in first six?
Thank you very much, sir. And I thank IIPT organizers for organizing such a beautiful event. I am very happy for becoming the winner of this event. And as a physics teacher, I even encouraged. Currently I have 30 students in our college of physics students. So I encourage all of the students to participate in this event. But none of them participated, and eventually I participated and won the award. I request IIPT to organize such competitions, online competitions, every month or every quarterly, so that the students are encouraged to participate in such online events. Those who cannot attend it physically, but through online mode. Thank you very much again, and hope such competitions are organized. Thank you.
Thank you for your remarks. And there are many competitions, sir has already mentioned. You can always visit back. Dr. Pranita, you have won this award for the second time. How do you feel?
I'm grateful beyond words. Thank you, Pity, for giving such a nice platform, and thank you, organizers, for this innovative competition. I just want to tell one thing. Whatever I showed today, this is the work I've done with my guide, Dr. Prabodh Chandra Deshmukh. Last year, we worked together for quantum mechanics in quantum mechanical experiments in 20th and 21st century. And from the month of January, he poked me, he reminded me, have you not received any photo essay competitions leaflet? Because it gives me one month Sanjeevani for me. Because he is very enthusiastic to do certain things which is beyond the boundaries. So he helped me very much again to compile this experiment also. And this was my idea, but this time he said that you prepare first. I will only give you comments and I will only organize the things. So he helped me very much to compile all these experiments. And lastly, when on the last date when I was in the position to upload my video, at that time he said again, think one time that this is the competition, but it is very difficult for me. And if anything goes wrong, first you write a letter to the organizer that I have done my whatever the skills I have, I put it by myself. But if anything goes wrong, sorry for that. So if anything goes wrong, you just write a letter to the organizers. So it is very nice experience for me. And he is 87 years old. Still, his enthusiasm is very much for such creative competitions. Secondly, I'm thankful to Ahluwalia sir for inspiring us through his words, and Govinda Lakhotia sir, who always create atmosphere in the department also. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for your inputs. So Kendu Maiti on the screen. Yes, sir.
Thank you. This is the first time I have joined this program, and I have learned a lot of things from these competitions. Although I have put little time on this PPT presentations, I think if I put little more, I think.
Govindaji, may I say one thing?
Yes, sir, please.
Dr. Pranita was saying that she has been working on her PhD, which is very interesting to know. And these days, whenever you are writing even papers and sending it to journals, they also want you to make a presentation of the work which you have done. And the spirit behind that is what? The spirit behind that is what? Is this, that if you are able to explain what you have done to somebody through a good presentation, half of the job gets done. So even the people who are going to review your papers, they know that this person has a very good idea to put forward in the form of a research. So bringing these stories of research into this kind of a photo competition is really welcome. I would like people to come forward and participate. Maybe Govindaji, we can think of creating a category where we ask researchers to come forward and present their work in this competition. Another category that will be, bringing more researchers in our touch and contact also. Thank you.
Sure, sir. Sir, Professor P.C. Deshmukh is none other than our Vice President's elder brother. He is 87 years old and still very active.
Oh God. Super.
Anyone else would like to add anything from the participants? Sarmishta ma'am, if you would like to share your experience.
I think this was an extremely wonderful opportunity for me to participate. I felt absolutely happy because I had realized that I was stopping to learn. Nowadays, I've stopped going to schools and colleges, interacting with people. So this was a wonderful opportunity for me to join and learn things, how it has to be done. I, in fact, did a wonderful job of making a PPT, learning how to incorporate audio, visuals, etc. Thank you very much for this opportunity. It was really great. All these videos that were shown just now, I was just feeling that probably it was a little too fast for us to capture. If it is possible, I'm sure it will be there in the website somewhere where we can leisurely go through each one of them and see the contents more peacefully and really enjoy. So I'm sure it will be put up somewhere. Thank you very, very much.
Yes,
it's an
ma'am.
excellent job done by all the winners. It's just fabulous. I have no words to express how wonderfully they have done.
Yes, ma'am. We're gonna put all the appealing presentations on our YouTube channel of IAPT and we'll add as a playlist so that one can go through all wonderful presentations. So it will be done in a week. So, and yes, it was a very tough call for category 2. Those were very, very closely spaced marks, one can say. So I feel the top 10 contributions are equivalent, but it's a matter of luck, time, and individual's perception to select 5 or 6 out of 10, 11 presentations. So we will add all 10, 11 presentations on our YouTube channel very soon.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, as we come to the close of this ceremony, a few important announcements. E-certificates for winners, finalists, and participants will be issued through the emails, and it will be communicated by first week of May. Details regarding prize money and further communication will be sent to the awardees by email only. A brief report of today's ceremony and the competition outcomes will also be uploaded on our IAPT website on the dedicated tab of photo essay competition. On behalf of IAPT and Pandu College, once again, I congratulate all the winners and participants and thank every one of you for joining us this morning. For the formal vote of thanks, I request Dr. Pranita Das to express gratitude on behalf of the team. Thank you everyone for your kind attention. Dr. Pranita Das.
Respected all the members present here, On behalf of the Department of Physics, Pandu College, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to IAPT for giving us the opportunity to host this year's National Photo Essay Competition. My sincere thanks to our principal, Dr. Satyajit Bora sir, for supporting us to conduct such a national level competition. I extend my heartfelt thanks to Professor P.K. Aluwalia sir, President IIPT Central, and Professor Rekha Ghorpade ma'am, Secretary IIPT Central, for their vision and initiative in organizing this competition at the national level. I would also like to thank all the respected members and participants present here for their encouragement. My special appreciation to Govinda Lakhotia sir for his constant support for the completion of this successful event. Finally, I would like to sincerely thank all the evaluators for their time, effort, and thoughtful suggestions. Thank you all.
Well, thank you. Thank you very much, everyone. Sir, with your kind permission, we can conclude the session. Thank you very much, everyone. Now we can leave.
End the
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Govinda sir.
There is one thing which I wanted to say and I forgot to say that.
Yes, sir. Please add.
Actually, I must thank our jury members. We sometimes miss them, and I really miss them in my presentation because they did a lot of what you call hard work, and that was a difficult task also to do. So Professor Hemant, Professor Sapna, Ma'am Vandana, and the other members of the team in Guwahati, you have done a wonderful job. And I would like to say that you are going to receive a good book for your effort as a result of helping us in this competition. Maybe we will choose a book and share that book with you. A good book which we feel should be with you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Right?
sir.